In Genshin Impact, Wanderer is a unique Electro character who wields the power of Anemo with his catalyst. His abilities make him a versatile addition to any team. Let's explore his world and unlock his full potential. Wanderer's abilities are deeply rooted in his troubled past and mysterious powers. Understanding his lore can help you unlock his full potential and master his playstyle. His story is complex and intriguing, making him a fascinating character to play. As an Anemo catalyst, Wanderer's abilities are centered around his Electro powers. He can manipulate the wind to create powerful gusts and whirlwinds, making him a formidable opponent on the battlefield. To maximize Wanderer's damage output, it's essential to build a well-rounded team. We'll explore the top team compositions and synergies that will help you unleash his Electro fury. For optimal performance, focus on high ATK and crit rate stats. Top weapon choices include Amos Bow and Summit Shaper. For artifacts, consider sets like Shimenawa's Memory or Heart of Depth to enhance his Electro damage. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Genshin Impact guides and analysis, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on Wanderer and his builds.